toys.
New toy.
Okay, you want to open? Okay. Papa open ah.
2, 3,
4.
5.
Yeah, open.
Album.
See? You see? Wow.
Album.
Open.
Lemon.
Oh, multifunctional hamster. This is a multifunctional hamster. Okay, what? Alphabet, cognitive card, eye hand coordination is used to exercise children's color, cognitive color matching, animal cognitive, shape cognitive, and letter matching. Okay, so it is for matching activity. Yeah, matching and learn alphabet.
Wow.
Wow. This one give Papa. So, inside. This are the thing inside. Okay, these are the thing inside. Okay, so you can train the baby's fingers. Maybe how to turn this one? Turn it. Yeah. Turn this one. Yeah, you can train baby's fingers. The fine motor skill. Yes. Hi guys. Actually, these toys can train the baby's patience. Okay. It can train baby's concentration, focus. Train them to recognize color and train their perseverance to satisfy their desire. Knock. Because when they are knocking, they can satisfy themselves. So they learn to knock and learn to be happy. Okay, they also learn to fish and also to catch the insects.
Ding ding ding. You see how to smile? Happy face? Wow. Toing, 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 toing.
What's this? What color is the worm?
Blue.
Yes, good girl. Can you fish the green fish? Green fish. Which one is green fish? So this one trains the baby's patience. Train him to be patient and to focus, to be concentrate and to be focused. What color is this fish?
Blue.
Okay, so the baby also learn about colors and also the color matching, color connective. It's okay, it's okay. Yes, blue worms. The worm. Okay, what color is this worm?
Orange.
Orange, yeah. Okay, maybe last fish, the green fish. Yeah, where's the green fish? Do you see the green fish? Yes. So train them to recognize the color. Yes, green fish. I think that's all for today.
Wow.